guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Let's make meat pie. We're going to hot oil, then our onions. We'll allow that to sit for a while. Going into our garlic. Mix that up together. After some while, you add your blended beef. Let that sit for a while. Then we'll go into our seasoning, pepper and salt. We add in a little bit of water. Then we'll cover it up. After some while, we'll go in with our Irish potato. Add in a little water, let that sit or let that cook. Then now we'll make our thickener. Going into little water, then two spoons of flour. Mix that up. We're going to be using this to thicken our filling. So pour it into our filling. Let that sit for like 40 seconds and come back to check it out. And now you can see our filling is ready and it's thick. So we'll take this off the heat and get ready to make our dough. I have 5 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. We'll mix that in together. We'll get our 250 grams chilled butter. Pour that in. Then we mix that. It's going to look like crumbs of bread at the end. Now we'll get a clean bowl, one egg. We'll mix that. We'll add in a little bit of chilled water. Then we'll put that in our mix, in our dough mix. We'll mix that up together. So if this is okay, you mix that up together. If the water you added is okay, you just continue to mix, okay? If it's not, you're going to a little more cold water, but a little, please, little by little. So just keep folding it in until we get this consistency. Now we'll divide our dough into 2. Keep the other one in the fridge so that your dough can remain chilled while you handle this. So now, after I've flattened it, my surface, I'll get a soup bowl, a smaller shape one, and cut out the shape of my dough. Then I'm going to go in with my filling. 1 spoon is better. Here I used more than 1 spoon and it broke my dough. So use 1 spoon as your filling so that your dough shouldn't break. So after that, you close that up and use a fork to press down the edges. Please click the subscribe button and also click the like button so that people can get to view my videos as well. Thank you. After that, you get an egg and milk in a bowl, so you can use an egg wash on it to give it that golden brown color. Then you can use a fork to just poke it to give it a design, or you get a new razor and use it to give it this other kind of design. Whichever one you go for, it's fine. and then you put it in your oven. Please remember to always preheat your oven. So now our meat pie is ready. This was so delicious. Would you be trying this? Please let me know when you do in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.